Your standard experience tells you that you need a big, rigid machine to be able to do precision work. That's not always the case. We've discovered that when we clamp a machine right to where the work's being done, it's very rigid. We can perform oftentimes better than a stationary machine because we're clamping the machine right where that work is being done.
I think our equipment makes Climax the #1 company in the industry, but I think our customer service is what keeps us up there. There's lots of equipment that'll come through, and there's different manufacturers out there that are going to come in with different equipment. People are going to see ours, they're going to get ideas, but the one thing that they cannot reach, because we've been in business for over 50 years, is our customer service. People know how to get a hold of us. People know, all the way down to the guys in our shop. If a customer calls and I don't have an answer, and I know that Joe out in our shop knows how to put something together, so I know he knows how to take it apart. So I'll walk downstairs with my phone and I'll hand my phone to Joe, and Joe will talk to the customer and talk them through how to take it apart, because it serves the customer well.
Well, the biggest thing, working with the other products I have is that our products are so much more well-rounded design-wise. There's no shortcomings in the process of using them. It's been well thought out. A lot of machines, competitors' machines, their mounting systems are like half of what you really need to mount it, and they leave it up to the customer to figure out how to do that other half. And our machines come complete, ready to go. We have the documentation, we have the training programs. Everything's just very well rounded and thought out. I'm proud that the machines are made in the US. I'm proud that I work here, and if people ask me about them, I'll tell them, hey, we build a good quality product at a reasonable price, and we get it to you on time. So I think that we're probably the best in the business, without a doubt.